Hi, everyone. So as Jane was saying, we're building bowls today. I just took the pan out of the oven, and here is the sweet and spicy beef stir fry. Really does look like eating a rainbow. So as the brochure says, you can use either brown rice or noodles. So I chose brown rice because I like brown rice. It's 1 cup. And then 2/3 of a cup of beef stir fry. So this is a combination of Kikkoman orange sauce and less sodium soy sauce. And so I'm going to portion this up. I'm sure at the unit level you'll have spoodles or something like that. And I have a confession to make. When I first read the recipe, I thought, oh gosh, 2/3 of a cup, that's not very much. But you know what? When you see it on the rice, with a cup of rice, it's actually a good amount. Really quite generous here. And with the lid on, there are some red chili flakes in the mixture, but I like things spicy. So if you're able, with the lunch program, if you're able to use sriracha packets, we have some. They'll be certainly really popular with your students. And a great combination is Pearl soy milk, which is a whole bunch of cool stuff. It's organic soy milk with creamy organic vanilla. It's lactose-free, gluten-free, and it's fortified with calcium and vitamins. And it also has been formulated to meet the USDA guidelines for fluid milk substitution. So it goes really well in the bag with your sweet and spicy stir fry bowl. And it's made with great Kikkoman ingredients. So we hope you enjoy. We hope your students enjoy. And cheers. Hi, everyone. So it's super simple, really. I have the vegetable lo mein that I pulled out of the oven. And this is actually a whole wheat pasta or a whole grain pasta. So if you already have that in your pantry, but not a lo mein, then this is the perfect way to add a new item without adding a new SKU. It's tossed with onions, carrots, and shredded cabbage, the pre-shredded kind. And so the assembly is super simple. So it's 1 cup of the noodles. Kind of looks like a lo mein that you might see in a QSR. 1.5. The portion is big, I think. Generous. But of course it meets the guidelines. And then 1 cup of baked tofu. This is a firm tofu that we just tossed with some less sodium soy sauce and baked it. And then it goes on top. It's really as simple as that. And then a snap-on lid. Of course, the Kikkoman sticker isn't required, but fun nonetheless. And so the sauce is made with Kikkoman's preservative-free, less sodium teriyaki glaze, and it's a mixture of 2 sauces, the teriyaki glaze and then sriracha, which scores very well on consumer panels, I might add, and then just whisked together here. So it has quite a bit of body, and it sticks to the noodles. And then we also have these little pre-portioned sriracha hot chili pouches that are available for you if you would like to add those for the kids that want an extra kick. and a Pearl soy milk. It's organic soy milk, and it has it's lactose free, gluten free, and it's also fortified with calcium and vitamins. And it meets the USDA guidelines for a fluid milk substitute. So that's a mouthful, but I appreciate your attention very much. And this is our vegetable lo mein with tofu. Thank you.